Hello traders and welcome to tradingwithbill.com. Good to be with you. It is a Wednesday, August 30th, 2017. Wow, yeah, the week's going quick. Something just came out, I guess, on the Kiwi. I just saw this big red candle burst out. Not sure what that is, to be honest with you. So, markets were pretty strange yesterday, huh? Yeah, some weird price action, I have to be honest with you. Really hard to catch any trades. I did not catch any trades yesterday. However, I did say yesterday that the euro was at 24 hours ready to make the move where our entry was from Monday, and now it actually went all the way up, came back down, and now we're back at our entry spot. The good news is that the exponential moving averages, the 5 and the 20 is above price. Now we're going to fight off this 55, and then I think we have a nice spot to go to the downside. So this Euro trade plan is still in play, all right? Still in play. I did an analysis on this New Zealand, which I thought was a really nice move to come up to this 68.3 fib or 78.4 fib, somewhere up here at 72.85, and we can short this at that point. But I just walked away for about 5 minutes or so and came back, and I see this big red candle. So I'm not sure what happened here. I didn't have time to go back and look at it before I started this recording. So, yeah, not sure what's going on with the New Zealand, but that was the trade plan for today. That was today's trade, but just doesn't look like it's going to work. Let's take a look at our Aussie. You know, this is another one. This trade is not off the table yet. We could still short this as long as we don't take out these highs. Now, now we got to do this, right? Now you got to do something like this. And move this over here. I'll move this up there. Okay. So now we got a better look at what's going on here. Now we're at the highs. So, I mean, this is a double top, quad top, whatever you want to call it. And, we'll see if this holds. But this just looks like, again, another opportunity that we can sell this off. So we'll just keep an eye on this. It's going to take time. This is not going to happen in Asia. It's probably not going to even happen at London Open. Probably London lunch, we might be able to get in this trade. You got all your moving averages underneath price. It's going to be a battle. But we'll just keep it on, just to watch, see what's going on. What else do you want to look at, my friends? What is the pound doing? I don't think the pound did anything yesterday. Actually, we're like right at the area where we'd want to sell this. Yeah, we're at the area where if you're going to do anything, this is where you'd want to sell it. But there is data today, and I didn't forget about the data, folks. I will get to that in just a second. All your moving averages here, you'd really want to see this bump up, right? Give me a bump up and then take it back down. This trend line is void. Just remove that. Take this. Let's do a fib here. So I'm just going to take it from the high. I'm going to take it down here. The nice thing about Fibonacci levels is it just makes your job easier, right? In doing analysis. So, now we know where we want to basically come up to. And we want to come up to this 50% level. We'd like to see price come up to 50%, and then we'll take it to the downside. I really don't want to do anything here. If we get a breakout in this pair, what you're going to do is you're going to have to wait for here, right? You're going to have to wait for this 200 exponential moving average to get short below it. And then you can take it to the downside because we have what, I really always like. And that, my friends, is a wide open space. Right? So we'd like to come up to the 618 or the 50%, more likely the 50%, and sell this. If it just continues alpha lower and continues to break out, what we'll do is we'll wait for it to close below the 200 and we'll sell it down to the downside. I think that's a great trade plan. We'll keep an eye on that today. All right, I think that's it for the charts today. We can just take a real quick look at the dollar yen. Nice move to the upside. I haven't seen what the dollar's doing at the moment. What is the dollar doing at the moment? Oh, it's at 92.28. It's just horrible, right? So there's nothing there. All right, so nothing we can do here. We're at resistance here, highs. We're at resistance. Will this take out the high? We'll see. Nothing really to do with that, my friends. Let's talk about what's going on in data today. We do have a lot of data coming out today, and we'll just go over this. The key we had, building consents, nothing there. Aussie building approvals came out. It was good, 1.7 versus negative 5.0. And the Aussie construction work done came out at 9.3, which is a good number. And let's see what else we got. Spanish CPI, HICP today. There's a lot of stuff, but it's all low impact, folks. A lot of stuff, all low impact. German CPI today. ADP, non-foreign employment change, comes out today. That'll be looked pretty closely. GDP for the U.S. today, quarter on quarter, for Q2. And we have crude oil inventories as always, and crushing crude oil inventories. And that wraps it up. Nothing in Asia tomorrow to talk about. So we have there's a lot of news, a lot of news today. S&P 500 futures up 0.02%, Nasdaq up 0.10%, S&P 500 up 3.36%, Nikkei up 0.54%, dollar index up 0.01%, euro index up 0.02%. Looking at commodities, I'm really only interested in gold is maintained above that 113 level at 113.17. Keep an eye on that. Brent is above 50 at 51.53. WTI is at 46.31. Some weird messages in that, right? So that is what is happening, my friends. Traders, thank you for being with me. TradingWithBill.com. If you would, please come to my website. Come and visit. Check it out. The advantage of the website is you can see this video and all the other videos that's out there. Yeah, now we just saw this Aussie just really took a beat to the upside. Look at that big red candle. Got to find out what's going on here. There is nothing. Let me just check, folks, before I leave you. Let me just see why we're getting this. Okay, they had construction work done, and it came out at 9.3, and it was a good number. Maybe that did that little boost there in the Aussie. All right, like I said, time to go, and we'll catch you tomorrow, early in the morning. Traders, have a great trading day. Always remember to trade smart, not hard. And again, entries are vital. Please be patient on your entries. Traders, take care now. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.